So how can you make the iPhone 4K footage softer? So let me guide you through it and show you some options we have available. If it's your first time here, most definitely become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Anyways, whenever you are capturing the 4K videos on the iPhone, you have more settings for it. So when you open up the camera, switch to the video mode, and you are part of the the regular video there. In the top left, you have a button or a controller with the resolution as well as frame rate. So we want to be at 4K, but we don't want to capture the video at 24 FPS or 30. But if you want to make it softer, switch it to 60 FPS, which will capture double the amount of frames, which will make it look softer or smoother, right? So that's something that you are probably aiming for. There are a bit of, there are some downsides to it. Like the biggest one is the storage, because it's going to take up even more than twice the amount of storage compared to the 30 FPS. Like if you check out the settings and go to the camera, you can obviously go to the record video and choose the default format. So if you like the 60 FPS, you can choose it to be the default one. But below you have a little chart of how long a minute of the video will take up, or how much storage it will be, and you can see that the 1 minute video of 60 FPS at 4K is 400 megabytes, whereas 30 FPS is just 170. So quite a difference there. So that is probably the only downside to it, but other than that, you don't really have any reason not to use it. In case you have enough storage, it will be much softer or nicer to look at. So let me know if that is the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, but subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next videos as well.